H-E-A-D. Head. Head. The head helps us think and see. H-A-I-R. Hair. Hair. Hair grows on our head. F-O-R-E-H-E-A-D. Forehead. Forehead. The forehead is above our eyes. E-Y-E. Eye. Eye. We see with our eyes. E-A-R. Ear. Ear. We hear with our ears. N-O-S-E. Nose. Nose. We smell with our nose. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Mouth. We eat and speak with our mouth. L-I-P-S. Lips. Lips. Our lips help us smile. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Teeth. Teeth help us bite and chew food. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Tongue. The tongue helps us taste food. C-H-I-N. Chin. Chin. The chin is below the mouth. N-E-C-K. Neck. Neck. The neck holds up our head. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Shoulder. Shoulders help us move our arms. A-R-M. Arm. We lift things with our arms. E-L-B-O-W. Elbow. Elbow. The elbow helps our arm bend. H-A-N-D. Hand. Hand. We hold things with our hands. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Finger. We write with our fingers. T-H-U-M-B. Thumb. Thumb. The thumb helps us grip objects. C-H-E-S-T. Chest. Chest. The chest protects our heart and lungs. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Stomach. The stomach helps digest food. B-A-C-K. Back. Back. Our back helps us stand straight. W-A-I-S-T. Waist. Waist. The waist connects the upper and lower body. L-E-G. Leg. Leg. We walk and run with our legs. K-N-E-E. Knee. Knee. The knee helps the leg bend. A-N-K-L-E. Ankle. Ankle. The ankle helps us move our feet. F-O-O-T. Foot. Foot. We stand and walk on our feet. T-O-E. Toe. Toe. Toes help us keep our balance. H-E-E-L. Heel. Heel. The heel supports the back of the foot. S-K-I-N. Skin. Skin. Skin covers and protects our whole body.